How's it going, guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be trying out the brand new Tempest Torrento, but I haven't unlocked it yet. Give me a minute.
Smell you.
There we go. The brand new Tempest marksman rifle is finally unlocked, and I think we will take it for a spin on the brand new map. Himmel Mat Expo 24/7. Wow, wow, wee, wow. The brand new marksman rifle Tempest Torrent looks pretty similar to a FAL or M4s. Look like. What's the fire rate like? It's pretty much actually exactly the same as the FAL. Quite nice actually. Not that much recoil. The recoil kinda... oh shit. The recoil kinda reminds me of the FAL actually. It's not... There isn't a lot of recoil actually. We'll try this out on an enemy. Ooh! 2 shots to the body. It feels quite nice actually. Oh shit. I'm dead. I'm 100% dead. Oh yeah, I'm dead. I can definitely see how this is gonna be dominating the war zone or the resurgence. I love the color grading on this map. This is it's such a bright map. All the other maps in Modern Warfare 2 is so dark and boring, but this is so pretty and bright. I really enjoy those maps that have like a lot of color, or the games that have a lot of color. But I think Modern Warfare 2 would be better if they had more color on the maps. Especially, I think actually Modern Warfare 2 needs brighter maps to... oh shit. Okay. I think Modern Warfare 2 would be better out with some brighter maps and not so dark maps. Please, man. I really like this weapon actually. It has like no recoil without any attachments, and just think how powerful it could be with some attachments, like some recoil steadiness and some recoil control. It's gonna be a machine. We'll 100% be dominating the warzone soon, I think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you liked the video, please give it a big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell as well, so you don't miss out on any new videos and make more content for you guys. I will see you guys next time. Peace.